Hey guys, Melissa Brown here with United Country OK Sunset Realty here in Sayre, Oklahoma, and I am here at one of this week's newest listings at 414 Spurlin Drive, again here in Sayre, Oklahoma. This property is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath with approximately 1,700 square feet with a basement. This home has so many updates and it has been done right. All new flooring, all new light fixtures, all new windows throughout, blinds, baseboards, cabinetry, tile, bathrooms, the whole shebang. This house has it. What is also great about this property, if you have kids, Sayre Public Schools is pre-K through 12th grade. Your school's all right here. You could literally throw a stone and hit the school. If your kids play sports, baseball, softball fields, literally right across the street over here. All you gotta do is walk across. If you want an easy morning commute to school, this is where it's at. Let's go take a look at this house. There are so many updates in this house. All new LVP flooring, all new light fixtures, ceiling fans, all new windows throughout. We're gonna start here in the living room. Nice big open concept that opens into the kitchen here. Starting with the flooring here, you can notice they added a lot of details. They were thinking a lot about this stuff. There are the outlets in the floor that will accommodate your power sectionals. There's a few more underneath here as well. Again, great natural light, neutral colors, new woodwork, again, windows, blinds, light fixtures. Look at this beautiful kitchen. Huge island, granite countertops. Several power outlets in the island, which is great when you're cooking. There's your trash. The refrigerator will stay here in the kitchen. Under the cabinet lighting, double-sided sink. Lots of storage in this kitchen. Stainless steel range oven, dishwasher. There's the area for your microwave. This is one of my favorite features about this kitchen here, is this little pantry area. But what's super cool about it, they gave a lot of thought to space saving and utilizing the space that they have. Look at this. And it does that on both sides. This is great. Love it. Also, another feature, all of the cabinetry in this home features these self-closing hinges. So you don't have to worry about cabinets banging around. Look how quiet that is. Love it. Again, more of this space-saving technology here, if that's what you want to call it, technology. A little nook to put your mail, hang keys, and the like. We'll cruise on down the hallway here. Lots of light, lots of light. Again, LVP. Carpeting in all of the bedrooms here. Here is the first of the secondary bedrooms. Open up this closet. Go down to the, there is an office space here. Built-in cabinetry, again with the LVP flooring. New ceiling fan, new window, blinds, all neutral colors. More storage here with a little pocket door. Love me a little pocket door. Okay. Love this secondary bathroom. Granite countertops, new windows and blinds, light fixtures. Look at this tile shower. Beautifully done. I do want to add that this house is fully wheelchair accessible, meaning bathroom facilities, doorways, and the like. Laundry room / mudroom. Got your washer and dryer hookup, storage above, place to hang your clothes, and mudroom facilities, place to take your shoes off there, store extra linens, etc. Here's the primary bedroom. And I will tell you again, doorways are nice and wide, wheelchair accessible. Nicely kept carpet. This might be my favorite part of the primary closet. It is a woman's dream for a closet. Check this out. It is cedar lined. They did not skimp on the details. Look at all of this storage. Full shelf above all the way around. Love it. Wish this was my closet. Primary bathroom. Again, granite countertops. All new cabinetry, windows, blinds, light fixtures, doorless, absolutely wheelchair accessible. But I'm going to give props to the people that did this. This is a wheelchair accessible home. However, it's very nicely done. Very nicely done. Look at that tile. Love the neutral colors. Rain-like shower head. LVP. Love it. Okay, let's cruise back down to my second favorite feature of this house is the basement. The thing about Oklahoma is we do experience severe weather from time to time, and it is highly valued that we have some type of storm shelter. All concrete. I've been in a lot of basements in Oklahoma. I don't notice a smell in here, and they have concreted the ceiling of this basement. I don't smell mildew. Also added feature, there is a second access to this basement from the outside of the house. So if a storm's coming and you only have time to get one place and you're outside, bonus. We'll go check out the outside. I'll show you the access to that basement here from the outside. Sunroom. Again, all new windows out here. All new. Here is the access to that basement / storm shelter here from the outside.